Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. In this video, we're going to talk about the newest political t-shirts that are trending on Amazon right now. Let's go. Okay, here we are on Amazon. This is where we're going to spend most of our time today, but I wanted to make sure that you knew about this Chrome extension that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to click on here. This is the Chrome Web Store. The extension is called DS Amazon Quick View, and this is the one I've added. You can see it says added. This is the free version. There's an extended version for 20 bucks, but all you need is this free version here, and what it will do is, well, let's click on it. It will show you the BSR ranks, the bestseller ranks in here, and it does some other things, but mainly we're using it for the bestseller rank. So I'll go back here on Amazon, and we're going to look for the newest political shirts that are trending, t-shirts that are trending. And the reason why we want to look for the ones that are trending, because that will give us the best chances of us making a sale. So let's do political t-shirts. You can see right here it pulls up in autocomplete. A lot of people are looking for political t-shirts, over 5,000 results. So it'll be really hard to if you just put political shirts on your title, that's going to be really hard to compete with. So what we want to do is called niching down, and so we want to find a sub niche, a subgroup, a smaller group of shirts. So let's scroll through here. Well, we already know, because we're kind of close to election time, that there's basically two candidates, and that is Trump. So you'll see Trump t-shirt or Trump shirt here. That gives us 10,000 results. So that's a little high. And there's Biden shirts. Little lower, 914, but that's still kind of high as well. There's also anti-Trump shirts for those that just want to vote for anyone that's not Trump. And that's what it says right here, literally anyone else 2020. That's not the shirt I picked for the Tuesday trend on my Instagram that I posted, but let's look at that one for now. And just type in here what that says, literally anyone else 2020. I think it needs to say shirt at the end. There we go, literally anyone else 2020 t-shirt. That's a good one. You can see that's a lot lower results, 144, and so we know that it pulled up in autocomplete, so that means it is trending. It has lower results, so the competition is not that high. Let's see if it's currently selling. You can see here, using my DS Amazon Quick View, we have a 347,000, a 564,000, 107,000 here, 54,000, really low. So this one's a trend has low competition that is selling. So it's just that easy. Let's do it again. Anti-Trump shirt, t-shirts. Here's that 8645 kind of a version that I took. Let's do that 8645. And you can see it pulled up 2020, so I'm going to go with this one, 8645 2020. A lot lower results, 154. You can see this one has some low BSR numbers as well, 235, 693 there, 591 on this one. So we got some lower ones here. And what 8645 2020 means, I'm going to pull it up in Google. 86 here is just a slang. It means reject or discard. So that means get rid of. And so what this is trying to say is get rid of number 45, which is the 45th president, which is Trump, in 2020. So that's what that means. And so this is one of the ones that I picked for the Tuesday trend. let's go and see if we can find just regular Trump shirt. So Trump shirt. Here's one at the top here. Let's look at the rank 7884. That's really low. Let's see if there's others that are selling with that. Trump sequel looks like shirt. Okay, so the results are a little higher on this one, but let's look at the BSRs. This is really low, 7,000, 361,000, 348,000. This one says the sequel 470. So yeah, that's how you find it. That's another good one. How about Biden? Let's try Biden. Biden t-shirt. So I'm looking for more than just something that says Joe Biden. This one says no more malarkey Biden. Let's see if that pulls up. No more malarkey t-shirt. Okay. 105 results. Let's see the BSRs. This one's low. That one's kind of high, a million. That one's a little high. That one's a little high. So not as good. Let's go back for Biden. So this is what you do. Just if that's not good, then go back and scroll down. We don't want Biden for president. How about this riding with Biden? That's a cool phrase. We can search on that. 402. So let's just type in here, riding with Biden. Does it pull up? Yep, it pulls up in autocomplete. Ooh, that's a lot of results. You might not want to do this one because there's a lot of competition here, but let's look at the BSRs just to see. So low BSRs though. There's some low BSRs here. So maybe if you can design a shirt that's better than these and they can stand out, or maybe with ads. Looks like this one doesn't have a lot of ads on it. So, you know, you have to weigh your chances. So what we're looking for, if you're selling on Merch by Amazon, something that pulls up in autocomplete because that means people are searching for it. Something with low results so you have less competition to compete with, and something with low BSRs, a lot of low BSRs actually, not just one. You want to look with multiple low BSRs, so that signifies that people are looking for this specific phrase and are buying it currently. So that's how you find the newest political t-shirts that are trending. You can do this every week or every 2 weeks, however long it takes for you to design more t-shirts. I would do it consistently. Now is the time. We're in 2020. Now is the time to make political t-shirts. This is the year. Every 4 years is the big election for president. So now is a good time to start making, if you haven't already, political t-shirts to sell on Merch by Amazon. You should get a lot of sales, or hopefully there is a bigger chance for you to get a lot of sales, I should say, in this year than you would in any other in the next 4 years. So the next big election would be 2024. We're in 2020. Now's the time to do it. So hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these videos that I'm putting out here. Leave a comment on what other kinds of videos that you'd like to see. I've heard that you wanted to see how I find these trends, this political trend, so this is how I did it. And if you want to be notified of my videos as they come out, don't forget to click that bell icon and you'll be notified. Until next time, keep creating and keep learning. Bye.